I'm sure you guys know it by now. This is Uthando Nesthembu, and to find out what happened with Musa and his family this week, please tune in on this video. The show starts with Musa having a meeting with his wives. The meeting is so tense. Musa and his wives are discussing a certain ritual that needs to be done by Lwandle and Mpumelelo, and Umacele is not really happy about it. Umacele doesn't believe that Lwandle and Mpumelelo have an ancestral calling. On that same scene, Mselo further tells his wives that they need to clean the yard first since there could be a lot going on in the yard muti-wise. Musa suspects that his wives are bewitching each other and they are using muti so that bezothandeke ndodeni. Just imagine. I don't know about you guys, but I think Msele was referring to Mangwabe over there. Remember that he said a person who's doing this is a person who was accepted by all the wives while he doesn't want to accept just one wife. So that is obviously Mangwabe. Mina guys, I don't know whether this is done for views or what, but by the look of things, Mselewu looks genuine, so I doubt that they are staging these conversations. And to accuse a wife of witchcraft for views, I honestly think that there's a lot happening there by Mangwabe and Musa Mselewu. Oh, and guys, here's more. Musa also accused his wives of using muti to try and make sure that he doesn't take the fourth wife. Nalapho futhi ngiyacabanga ukuthi was referring to Mangwabe. And guys, I don't really think that there's anything left there in the marriage of Musa Mselewu and Mangwabe. I think that they are tolerating each other nje because they are a well-known couple and abafuni usijampisela, otherwise ubahlanganisayo kade kwaphela. So ladies and gentlemen, do comment in the comment section and share your thoughts regarding this topic. Oh, and guys, I really didn't want to talk about it, but viewers of Uthando Nesthembu were so disappointed by Owami. I'm not sure who child she is, but I think she's Macele's last born. So here's what happened. Musa bought cell phones for Owami, Thando, and Mangwabe's daughter. I forgot what her name is. So when Musa gave them the cell phone that he bought for them, Owami didn't seem to be happy. When she saw the cell phone, she stated that the cell phone is smaller than the one that she currently owns. Now viewers of the show feel like Owami is spoiled and disrespectful. Mina guys, I'm not really interested in this topic. Rich kids will always be rich kids, no matter how well you raise them. I mean, look at Mpumelelo. I don't want to drag this video any further, so this is the end of it. Please comment in the comment section and let me know what did you think about this topic. And if you enjoyed the content in this video, please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell so that you can be notified every time when I post videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next one.